how to share a Telegram profile link. So first, let's start by opening the Telegram application on the phone. After that, click on the three lines icon at the top. Then from this window, click on settings. Now click on username. Here you need to add a name to your Telegram account. If you do not previously have one, this name will be the extension of your profile link. The name must also be available for use. Now open the Notepad application on your phone. We will now write the Telegram profile link and save it in Notepad for use at any time you want later. The method of writing a link is very simple. Start and writing HTTPS, then add two dots on top of each other, then add two slashes, then type t.me after that, then add a slash, then write your username. Now your Telegram profile link is ready to share. You can now copy the link and send it on WhatsApp or share it on any platform you want here. And I'll try opening my profile like in the Chrome browser. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.